Docs websites are a highly useful tool for boosting SEO and making it easier for customers to utilize your product. It's essential to have a straightforward approach to present all of your goods features and workflows for this reason. You can improve your SEO visibility and organize your FAQ, tutorials, and help pages by building a knowledge base. If you want to have software that converts your workspace in Notion into a stunning document site, stick around to discover what it is about and get a special deal for you and your business. Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. Meet Notaku. Notaku is a unique tool that allows users to convert their Notion workspace into a lovely documentation site. This tool can now be used to generate docs and knowledge-based sites. It is a fantastic CMS, making it the ideal place to compose your documentation. Add a Notion page to your Notaku dashboard and link it to your account to create a fantastic static documentation website. This tool will publish your Notion docs and blogs with a great design, simple navigation, and a table of contents for each page. You can post your docs and blog website on your own domain. With Notaku, all of your concept pages come with automatic sidebar navigation and a table of contents. This makes it simpler for your users to browse the contents of the documents. Users can quickly search all of your Notion pages because they are all indexed. Each page features feedback gathering buttons that let you know which documents are the most and least popular. The same method can be used to build a blog site, Docs and Blog with a single subscription. You can also use your personal domain for your documents using custom domains. Furthermore, it provides you with lightning-fast websites that use SEO to speed them up. Notaku allows you to add your links, font, colors, and other customizations. Your blog posts are stored in a Notion database. You can own your material and host it on your own domain, which enables you to create a blog website with your own domain and Notion content. Plus, you can inform your customers about any product updates by sharing what's new. Additionally, you can create a changelog website with your own domain and Notion material using Notaku. Best of it all, you can make your Notion workspace attractive by having the right icons created automatically on your pages. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Start developing stunning blogs and information bases from your Notion workspace. Try Notaku now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.